Hello ESL learners and welcome to my class. In today's video, I will be talking to you about how to pronounce the letters TH correctly. So, TH are two letters that when they go together, they make a mess when you're not a native speaker. So, I will explain how to pronounce these two letters when encountered together, T and H. So, T and H make the th sound. So if you look at my mouth, sorry about the crooked teeth. Yeah. So if you look at my mouth here, you put your tongue on your top teeth like this. And you blow. Just imagine you're a serpent going like all right. That's what the sound the TH letters together make. So words with TH, we have two types of words with TH. Voiced and voiceless or unvoiced. For example, if you look at the word, let's take a look at the word think. 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 This is a voiceless TH. Think. Now let's take a look at the word throw. Throw. TH. Voiceless TH again. Throw. Throw. Now let's take a look at the word thirsty. Thirsty. Voiceless TH again. Thirsty. Thin and thunder are also voiceless. Thin. Thunder. All right. So, voiced TH. Let me explain that. Did you hear that? That is voiced. The word that. T-H-A-T. That. We need to voice the that. But now let's compare that and think. Take a look at think. Think is not voiced. TH just sounds like think, right? And when we look at this word over here, that. You see the. In this case, we voice TH. That. Think about that. All right? Then we have the word then. Then. In this case, T and H is voiced. Then. And then we have the. TH is voiced too. The. They. TH is voiced in this word too. And these. It's voiced as well. So when we have a T and an H, the sound is either going to be voiceless like this or voiced. Yeah, sometimes we use our vocal cords to voice TH, like in the words that I mentioned before, such as that, that, then, they, these. So voiced TH. Now voiceless again. Think, throw, thirsty, thorn, think, thunder, voiceless. So remember, voiced TH, make it vibrate here, and voiceless. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and you will find more of my videos, of my pronunciation videos, in the next few weeks. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please leave any comments or suggestions in the comment section below this video. I love you, and good luck in your English studies. Goodbye.